Hey, what's up? It's Phil from Easy Tutorials, and let me show you today how to insert comment in Google Docs. To do that, it's very simple. Just position your cursor where you want to add a comment, click it and hover over the ending of a document and click over here, add comment. And now just type in something and click comment. Also, you can remove the comment by clicking more options and click delete, or you can edit it if you want. I will now just delete it to show you that you can add a comment to a specific sentence, for example, over here, like this, and click comment. And now we're just commenting the specific sentence. To resolve, mark as resolved and hide the discussion, just click this over here. Okay, if you just select over here and click add comment, it will select and comment the whole paragraph. You can see the comments over here in open comment history. You can see today, yesterday, and so on. And you can also add a comment if you go insert and go comment, or click Ctrl Alt and M. And it will add a comment to your Google Doc. And this is it, a few ways to add a comment to your Google Doc. If you find this useful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.